XRP community, welcome back to the channel. Follow me on Twitter at RULEXRP. I'm still in Kerrville, Texas, and I'm sitting on my sister's back porch. The weather is beautiful. We are still without power in Texas, where I'm from, because of the hurricane. So I'm going to cover some news on the porch, and you're going to hear birds and dogs and traffic and all that stuff, but bear with me. I do not have my USB mic plugged in. I'm using strictly my MacBook and QuickTime. So let's get into this. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm providing news as I find it, and here recently there's been some really exciting news. So let's get on with this, and let's take a look at some of the prices. Let me refresh. This is coinpaprika.com. I'll leave a link in the description below of this video of everything I covered today. The current market cap is up to $367,075,000,000. That is total cryptocurrency. If you are new to this space, to the crypto space, coinpaprika.com is a great page to go to, not only to get pricing and trends of cryptos, but also to click on each cryptocurrency and learn what it's about, whether it be use cases. And let's look at some of them. Bitcoin, $11,467. Ethereum is $391.67, and XRP is at 26.8 cents. A lot of people are upset because the prices are down, but if you're new to this space, this is the right time to get into cryptocurrency. At these prices now, these are some great times to get into it, especially XRP. As you know, it's my #1 investment. But anyway, check it out. Do your own research. I'm not responsible for your financial decisions, but I'm just telling you right now is a great opportunity. All right, let's check out some news here. This came out on Cointelegraph 4 hours ago, written by Helen Parts. And Japanese financial giant SBI to launch contract for differences for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. A forex exchange in Japan will start crypto CFD trading soon, and I'm going to explain to you what contract for differences are after this article. Japanese financial giant SBI Holdings is preparing to launch contract for difference, or CFD, trading for major cryptos. Starting August 31st, SBI Holdings will start CFD trading service for crypto assets including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, Cointelegraph Japan reported on the 28th of August. As officially announced, the new service will be offered through SBI's foreign exchange focused arm SBI FX Trade. The platform is accepting new account registrations immediately, the announcement notes. The new trading offering will allow SBI clients to trade crypto CFD contracts against the Japanese yen and the US dollar, enabling a total of 6 new trading pairs. According to the announcement, SBI FX Trade will become the first Forex exchange business in Japan to offer CFD trading for cryptocurrencies. A major financial institution in Japan, SBI Holdings, has been actively involved in the crypto and blockchain space in recent years. The company is known as a key partner of major blockchain company Ripple, which developed products on top of XRP, the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Since 2016, SBI and Ripple have been collaborating on a joint venture known as SBI Ripple Asia, which intends to promote XRP use in Asian financial markets. SBI is also planning to integrate Ripple-powered settlement across Japanese ATMs. SBI's upcoming crypto CFDs are not new for Japan, though. Last year, local crypto firm Liquid launched Bitcoin CFD trading, enabling traders to speculate on the asset's price movement against the yen and dollar. In July 2020, Monex Securities became the first online securities company in Japan to launch crypto CFD services. All right, this is Investopedia.com, and this is the definition of CFDs, or contract for differences. What is a CFD? A contract for differences is an arrangement made in financial derivatives trading where the difference in the settlement between the opening and closing trade price are cash settled. There is no delivery of physical goods or securities with CFDs. Contracts for differences is an advanced trading strategy that is used by experienced trader and is not allowed in the United States. I'm going to play this short video here, and hopefully the MacBook will be able to pick it up. It might sound kind of funny, but let me go ahead and play it. It's 1 minute and 36 seconds.
A contract for differences, or CFD, is an agreement between an investor and a provider to exchange the difference in value of a financial product between the time the contract opens and closes. The investor never actually owns the underlying asset, but rather receives revenue based on the market changes of that asset. If the asset's value rises, he'll receive a profit. If it decreases, he takes a loss. Essentially, the investor is predicting performance. Sarah believes stock A is going to rise. She decides to enter into a contract with a CFD broker. She agrees to buy 100 shares of stock A at $10 a share. The CFD broker requires Sarah pay only 5% to enter the contract, so she pays $50. As Sarah expected, stock A increases in value. On closing day, she sells it and pockets the difference in value as profit. The advantages to CFDs include access to the underlying asset at a smaller financial commitment than buying the stock outright. They also provide access to a variety of global markets and indices, lower fees, ease of execution, and the flexibility to go long, buy, or short, sell. Disadvantages include market risk, which grows amid volatility, and when entering a CFD, the investor's initial position is reduced by the size of the spread, the difference between the asset's ask and bid prices, which can trim profits.
Alright, so that is the definition of contract for differences. Alright, let's go to this last article here, released today on the Daily Hodl, and it was written by the Daily Hodl staff, August 28, 2020. Ripple says it's throttling growth of global XRP remittance platform. Here's why. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse says the company has more demand for its XRP cross-border payment product than it can currently facilitate. Known as on-demand liquidity, or ODL, the payment product relies on crypto exchanges to accept cash and move the equivalent value in XRP across borders, where it can be converted right back to fiat currency in seconds. As long as there is enough liquidity in the XRP marketplace, the transactions can process in seconds and largely bypass the issue of crypto price volatility. In order to ensure that liquidity stays sufficient, Garlinghouse tells Modern Consensus they've actually had to slow the adoption of the product. The company has actually throttled that growth because one of the things that's important when using ODL is you have to really have really good liquidity on both sides of the transaction. And so if XRP doesn't have enough liquidity in the marketplace, then you can't put as much demand through. The company recently hired former Goldman Sachs FX Executive Director Aditya Tarakia, I butchered his name, to help create a strategy to boost XRP liquidity and list more market makers, brokers, and exchanges. Garlinghouse also says demand for ODL, or on-demand liquidity, is outpacing the company's overarching international payments platform, RippleNet, which doesn't require XRP. Ripple says more than 20% of all transactions on its global network of financial institutions now use their native currency. It was at less than 10% as recently as the fourth quarter of 2019. So XRP, people, now you know why it's my number one investment. It is used to move value. On-demand liquidity, it is used to move value in seconds worldwide. And XRP never quits. It can be used 24/7, 365 days a week. Alright, like I said again, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you are looking to buy cryptocurrencies, it is the end of August, and I highly recommend that you look into buying some real soon, because these prices may no longer be at this level here in the near future. And I'm just saying, this is on speculation. This is on 3 years of research. So anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will be updating the XRP community daily, and I hope everyone has a wonderful and safe weekend. Take care, and we'll see you soon.